it's Kay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Kay. I'm a professional home organizer and soprano here in the Boston area, and I'm here to inspire you to live a more organized life. So what am I doing in my kitchen today in front of my refrigerator? Well, we are needing to organize the freezer for a certain Princey Prince Clover today. Why are we organizing the freezer for Clover? Because he doesn't really have that much stuff in there? Well, now he does. And that's because this video is sponsored by Ollie. So here is the Prince, Clover James, and we have been wanting to switch him over from a kibble food, which he'd been eating, which was a high quality kibble, to a raw food. And then we talked to the veterinarian and she was like, well, sometimes that's not really, that great. Oh, you just burped. That's not really that great sometimes for dogs and their people because there can be issues with salmonella. So we weren't really ready to go down that route yet, but I was willing to go down sort of a route in the middle and maybe start with a cooked food. And I have been researching for months and months and months, and then I came across Ollie and I was like, well, let's try Ollie because it's a high quality cooked food. It's going to help with weight control, heart problems, because these guys are prone to heart problems. If you didn't know, you're actually getting really heavy. Let me put you down. We talked to our vet about switching to Ollie and she was like, go ahead, sounds great. It's gonna be, much better in her opinion than going with a raw food. So we went with it and Clover loves it. He loves it, he eats it up and he licks the bowl after he's done eating, and it's really been helping with his energy. He's a pretty high energy dog anyway, but after he's been eating Ollie, he's super high energy. It's actually kind of tiring him out. So thanks.
And Ollie delivers straight to your door with no contact in as little as 2 days, which is so important right now.
They tailor the recipe for your dog's size, food preferences, allergies, and things like that, so your dog doesn't get anything that's going to irritate them. But the best thing about it is you can take it out of the freezer 24 hours before your pup has to eat it, so it can thaw. And then it comes with this really fun container and a scoop, which I, as an organizing person, really love. And you just scoop out half of the portion and give it to him because that's how much they told us to feed him, and he loves it. He eats it all up. He licks the bowl afterward. He's obsessed with Ollie, and we've just been so happy with the results. All Ollie recipes are human grade, no fillers, no fake stuff, no weird brown balls, and it actually smells good. I would eat it. Well, I have not tried, but I would totally eat it. So if you guys have pups and you want to give Ollie a try, go ahead and click on the link down in the description to get 50% off your first box. Thank you so much to Ollie for sponsoring this video and for creating a really interesting situation in my freezer, which I'm going to address right now. So like I said, we've been getting smaller boxes, but we got a really big box the other week and I just threw them all in there, and you guys are gonna be like, what is going on, Kay? It's a hot mess, so let's take a look. So here is my lovely freezer, and when we open it, it's like, bam, all you see is stuff and little packets of dog food, and also in the top is bam, dog food central. So we have to get control over this. Okay, if you've been with me long enough, you know how the story goes. We're just gonna take everything out and we're gonna organize it a little better than the way it is. I've actually got some aspirations to use my collection of stasher bags for some of the frozen stuff, maybe stuff that is in a smaller bag, then I can't tell what it is. That's the most upsetting thing, is I can't tell what things are in there. So we're gonna try and use some of these. And apparently you can write on directly on the bag with a dry erase marker. So we're gonna try that today and see how well we can get the space organized. All right, I'm gonna put something in my headphones while I do this because it's boring. So I suggest you also do that when you organize, because it's satisfying, but it's boring. You need some entertainment. So get your Spotify going or something.
Okay, we've got meatballs, which I think are fine. We've got bagels, which I think are fine. And we've got toaster strudel. Don't judge. Oh, here's some more peas. What gives? Wait, we actually have more meatballs. All right, I know this is the older one of meatballs. Let me see how they compare to the newer. Wait, yeah, we have 2 packages of meatballs. What gives?
Okay, I can already see that we've got like a weird situation. We've got two open packages of edamame, which I think can be consolidated. Oh, this one's expired. Okay, never mind. Is this one still good? How is that one from 2018? Okay, this one's still good. This, I'm sure, is still good because we got this during the pandemic, but this is like carrots and peas. And I'm sure these beans are still good because I knew we bought these during lockdown, and broccoli is still good. The peas are still good. And this, we've got two corns. I don't know why we have two separate bags of corns. Let me check the expiration on these. Okay, well this was a little past the best use date, so we should cook that, you know, relatively soon. We're gonna deal with these. So I'm gonna toss these. They're like 2018. That was a while ago. Let's see what else is going on down here. We've got halibut, which is not great anymore. So we're gonna get rid of that. And the shrimp is fine. Oh, these breakfast things, there's only one left in there. The barramundi. Okay, barramundi is about to like expire, so we should cook that really soon. And then the rest is like Clover food. Okay, let's solve this.
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming.
All right, I found a dry erase marker. I shouldn't have labeled it peas because it's obvious what it is because it's clear, you can see. But I did put the best by date on there so I know whether or not I'm dealing with old peas or new peas. So yeah, I'm liking the stasher bag solution. I think this is gonna be a good idea.
You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus.
All right, we got the meatballs in a stasher bag, Best Buy 2021, January. So we'll eat those before then, but who likes IKEA meatballs? I do, they're so good. Actually, I'm gonna have some tonight. That'd be good. I actually do need to have a toaster strudel. I mean, I know that I would at least make some of you happy by showing you what I did with my toaster strudel. So that is it. There's no art here. I'm just gonna eat this. Okay. Okay, I'm done, and I would be lying if I said that wasn't painful. It was painful. But we're gonna look at the new improved freezer. I'm much happier, and I now have to go out and buy more stasher bags because I used up a bunch in the freezer. So let's take a look. Okay, so here is the new improved freezer. Yes, a whole section is dedicated to the Clover James's food. But that's the room we had to make. Those are actually ice trays that I got from Target for like, I think like $2 or $4 each. They fit perfectly. So by the time like this stuff runs out, that'll look so organized and beautiful. But we've got a little section over here for produce, frozen produce. And I must say, I'm very pleased with the use of these stasher bags like this. I can see everything and I don't have to, there's no mystery, you know, like which one is the pea bag. I know that this one is the pea bag because I can, see inside. So love that system. Gonna get more stasher bags. And of course, I moved the proteins all to one area. So you guys know that zoning is the key to organization, so putting things in zone is really helpful. So we've got proteins and prepared foods, and also Clover's like foods that are ready to go right here. So these are just like grab and go for the next day. He's also got his ice creams here. You know, we can't forget about that. Very important. There's a couple ice creams here too. These are my husband's ice creams. You know, what is the deal? Oh, we have ice trays because even though we lived in a nice condo, for some reason there's no water hookup for the refrigerators. Why? So that'll do it for today's Organizing With Me video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it inspires you to organize your freezer down there if you have a drawer freezer, because I find those spaces can be really challenging. The regular freezer that you can open this way, totally fine. Drawer freezer, challenging, you know? It won't be the last time we organize that. I'm gonna tell you right now, there's gonna be another freezer organizing video, just wait for that. Thank you so much to Ollie for sponsoring this video, and don't forget, if you wanna try it, go visit the link down below to get 50% off your first order. And I hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Where is he? Is he? Where? Oh my goodness. Hello, friend? Hello? Did we walk you too hard today? Was it too intense?